morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I am Simply OLA. In this video, I'm just going to be reciting my poem about the life cycle of a frog, just with a bit of action. And at the end of the day, I'm just going to show you the puzzles that I've created based on the nursery rhyme 5 Little Speckled Frog song. And you could do that with the children as well. Puzzles are self-learning for children. Through puzzles, children develop their cognitive skills. Through puzzles, they learn to interact with one another, collaborating with one another, especially when they are working as a team. Through puzzles, it is self-learning for children. Children can sit down on their own, try to put the piece puzzle together. In that way, they are developing their cognitive skills and reasoning skills as well. Mother frog, what are you doing? I am laying my eggs in the pond. Eggs. Who or what are you? We are frog spawn and we bond in the pond. Frog spawn, what can you do? I can grow into a tadpole in a few weeks and become a fish in a dish. A fish in a dish. Tadpole, what can you do? I can change into a froglet with a long tail and become your frog pet. A frog pet? Froglet, what can you do? I can lose my tail and sail in the pond and become a proper frog. Ribbit. A proper frog. So, frog, what can you do? I can lay more eggs in the pond and become a mother frog again. And that's the end of a poem. Right, we've come to the end of the frog series that we've been doing based on the nursery rhymes, 5 Little Speckled Frog song. But I just want us to know before we round up completely, I've tried to cut some frogs into different puzzles, into different pieces to make puzzles. And this is 4-piece puzzles. I've made another 6-piece puzzles here. And that's something else you can do with the children, making 4-piece puzzles, making 6-piece puzzles, and 12-piece puzzle, 8-piece puzzles. That is it really. If you do like my video, click like, subscribe and share, and let me know how you got on when you eventually carry out the activity. Thank you. Bye.